Alright, we should get to Google Drive and click on Create New Google Drawing. From there we should click on and name the assignment. Name it whatever the assignment name is. Alright, we are going to create a text box. So I'm clicking that and creating a text box. In that text box we're simply going to type, and what I've did is hit the fill bucket in order to create those colored text boxes. You can also fill it and give it lines, so on and so forth. So that's what I'm doing now, and quick way to do that is once you have one selected, if you've already got a text box that you're happy with the size, you can hit Control V on a PC, and Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste, and you will sit there and be able to paste that box over and over again. So now I'm just typing into those text boxes. I'm giving them names. This is not the names that you will use for your project. This is just giving you a sample idea of how it can be done. Now I've clicked the line tool, and you draw a line to a little purple, from one purple dot to the next one, to create those connections. So this is how we're going to create that initial phase of the concept map. So created a new text box. Once again, I hit the fill tool. I'm going to pick a color to fill that with, and I'm going to color similarly themed text boxes with similar colors so that we can see the relation to those. So we're doing right now, we would say that we're doing subtypes of tissue 1, and remember you're going to refer to your book for the specific tissues assignment. We may do concepts on other things other than tissues. This is just a sample once again. So I hit Control C and I'm hitting Control V. If you see that is creating copies of my already existing text box, and then all I have to do is go in and change the text. I accidentally hit Control C again there. I've got to have a text box selected whenever I hit my Control V, or else it's going to paste the text that's on the inside of that box. So that's what happened there. So I can keep making this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, however many times I need to do it. And then once again, creating those lines to show connections and where it's coming from. You can rearrange these text boxes to any size. This Google Drawing is a pretty versatile product here. Alright, I'm accidentally hitting too many lines. To undo something you just did, you're going to hit Control Z. There's an undo button up top, but it's a whole lot easier to remember these quick keyboard commands so that we're gaining some computer skills as well as while we're doing this product. That Control C, which is Control Copy, which makes it copies of things, that works in almost any program. Control V is paste, that works in many programs, and Control Z is undo. So once again, we are gaining useful computer skills as well as learning how to make connections with our information in this project. Okay, now we're going to go down and click to download as, and we're going to click PDF, and this will allow us to get a PDF file of our work that we have done. This is not a completed project, this is just a sample. Remember, you can keep adding stuff outside of that canvas and expanding it to the right pretty much infinitely, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm expanding the canvas. That shrinks it down, but when I have the actual document in a software format, I will be able to manually zoom into that, but we're exporting that as a PDF. Anybody with any type of computer can read a PDF.